Beautiful day, Walt. Seems like every time I'm videoing, though, I'm getting people's back ends. Huh? Well, or let me get ahead and turn around and get the front of you. Whoa. Yeah, it looks good. That looks good. Was he in a good gait there?
Oh, yeah, right here.
Whoa. Howdy do. You gonna wave?
Hello?
We're out trail riding, and I mean we are trail riding. We're in the middle of nowhere. Right. Beautiful day though. Letting the horses take a break. Lost my camera once. Had to get off and find it. Smoke's getting him a quick bite. Dizzy's getting him a quick bite. Yes, it is definitely wood. We're out on one of the back trails on Perry Ridge, going toward Kelly's Knob. Letting the horses take a break. Hello. Hello. Since I'm always on video and I don't never get on camera. Nah. I look... Oh, I know, I look scary. Yeah. Whoa, Walt.
I'm an old cowhand in the Rio Grande.
Oh, they got their mouth full.
You ready?
Can't hardly video on horseback. Too rough. But best I can do right now. Well, we're back on the road. We finally come out of that old wooded trail, headed back toward our way. The horses has definitely had a good workout today. When we started out, we went up this way into the mountains, and now we're back on the road after going miles through the woods. And the horses know they're headed back to the barn.